Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by Craft Today with Rita Renee and Miss Cheryl's Place. We will be showing you how to style a tablescape in this video. I like to start off my designs with a blank slate, so I take everything off of my table, clean it off, and then I begin designing. As you can see here, we started off with lime green placemats coupled with black and purple spiderweb placemats. We also added clear plates to anchor our design, and then we added paper plates to set the theme for our design. I think these are the absolute most adorable little pumpkins. I picked them up at Walmart. Now we're going to be designing our centerpiece. It will be displayed on this 3-tiered glass tray. We're going to add 3 pumpkins, the white, orange, and black. They light up, however, they're not lit in this particular video. We added a bow. The bow is from our Bow Wednesday tutorial from last week. Check that out if you're interested in learning how to make bows. We also added eyeballs to add in a little bit of the Halloween haunted spookiness into our tablescape. We have skulls and pumpkins, as you can see. And we're going to add in the showstopper. This particular design will be displayed in a wreath upcoming. Please stay tuned for that. I'm zooming in here to give you a better view of all of the details that we included in our tablescape. I'm absolutely loving all of the vibrant colors, the lime green, the orange, the purple, and even the black and white adds a special touch. If you guys are new to the channel, drop a hashtag new in the comments and let me know, and also tell me where you guys are from. Okay, you guys, this is the final look of our tablescape. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and visiting with me today. If you found this video to be of any help to you, please consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you. Have a great day.